Wood-axis door painting machine surface finishing from YICH machinery. Wood-axis precision technology. Equipped with advanced wood-axis motion control, the machine ensures even coating on complex surfaces, edges, and intricate designs, perfect for doors with detailed carvings, grooves, or uneven surfaces. High-speed painting. Achieve faster production cycles without compromising quality. Ideal for high-volume manufacturing environments. Versatile paint application. Compatible with various paint types, including water-based, oil-based, and UV-cured coatings. Adjustable spray patterns for different door materials like wood, metal, and composite. Automated operation. Fully automated system reduces manual labor and minimizes human error. Programmable settings for consistent, repeatable results. Eco-friendly design. Optimized paint usage reduces waste and lowers operational costs. Integrated ventilation system ensures a clean and safe working environment. User-friendly interface. Intuitive touchscreen controls for easy setup and operation. Real-time monitoring and diagnostics for seamless maintenance. Benefits. Enhanced productivity. Streamline your production process and meet tight deadlines with ease. Superior finish quality. Achieve a professional, smooth, and even coat every time. Cost-effective. Reduce paint waste and labor costs while maximizing output. Flexibility. Adapt to various door sizes, shapes, and designs effortlessly. Applications. Residential and commercial door manufacturing, furniture production, architectural woodworking, industrial panel coating. Why choose our wood-axis door painting machine? Cutting-edge technology, built with the latest advancements in automation and robotics. Durable construction, designed for long-lasting performance in demanding environments. Customizable solutions tailored to meet your specific production needs. Upgrade your production line with the wood-axis door painting machine and experience unmatched precision, efficiency, and quality. Contact us today to schedule a demo or request a quote. Call us now 0086-1593-980-78986-186-186. Email info@qdych.com. Visit our website http://3w.qdych.com. Transform your door painting process. The future of surface finishing is here.